Josh and Kareem had a total of 5 sandwiches together. How many sandwiches do you think they ate individually? The question says that the total number of sandwiches they had together is 5. Out of those 5, how many did Josh eat and how many did Kareem eat? Let us understand the different combinations of sandwiches they would have had individually. We can make 2 rows, one to represent the number of sandwiches Josh would have had and another to represent the number of sandwiches Kareem would have had. We can start off with a random guess. Maybe Josh had 1 and Kareem had 4. The total equals 5. Is this correct? Maybe Josh had 2 sandwiches and Kareem had 3. Or maybe it was the other way around, wherein Josh had 3 and Kareem had 2. Or maybe 4 and 1. It could be any one of these combinations. Or who knows? Maybe Josh wasn't hungry at all and he had none and Kareem had all 5. Or maybe Josh had all 5 and Kareem had none. It could be any one of these 6 possibilities. What does that mean? It means that we cannot answer this question. The information we have is not enough. So we are handed an additional piece of information. Josh had 3 more sandwiches than what Kareem had. Now look at the 6 possibilities carefully. Among these 6 possibilities, there is only one case in which Josh had 3 more sandwiches than the number of sandwiches Kareem had. It is this one. Now we can say that Josh had 4 sandwiches and Kareem had 1. We needed 2 pieces of information to figure out the number of sandwiches they had individually. When you understand this concept, you would find linear equations in 2 variables really simple. We are indirectly given 2 equations. We can use letters J and K to represent the number of sandwiches Josh and Kareem had individually. Josh and Kareem had 5 sandwiches together can be written as J plus K equals 5. And Josh consumed 3 more sandwiches than the number of sandwiches Kareem consumed can be written as J equals K plus 3. So the second equation can be read as Josh had 3 more sandwiches than Kareem. This is called a system of linear equations in 2 variables. J and K are variables and the equations are linear since the highest order of any variable is 1. Let's look at a new way to understand all this. We know that they had a total of 5 sandwiches. We have 5 sandwiches here. The next thing we know is that Josh had 3 more sandwiches than the number of sandwiches Kareem had. Since Josh had 3 more than Kareem, let's move 3 sandwiches towards Josh. There are just 2 sandwiches left. We just have to split them equally. 1 to Josh and 1 to Kareem, and that's it. You have your answer. Josh had 4 and Kareem had 1. It satisfies both the conditions. Total is 5 and Josh had 3 more. The difficulty with word problems is the number of words you see. If you understand the concept and visualize it, it's super simple. Since Josh had 3 more, we simply moved 3 sandwiches to him first, and when the remaining sandwiches were split equally, the condition would be satisfied.